Hey developers, I hope you are doing good. So whenever you are working on a website and you are using TailwindCSS for styling, you are surely going to need SVG icons and not just static icons with the black and white color. You are surely going to need more than that, the icons that you can customize with your own colors. So today in this video, I'm going to share two of my best sources that I use in almost every website I design. So the first source is hero icons, of course. So if you go to heroicons.com, you can see these icons are designed by the makers of Tailwind CSS. So you can copy any of these icons, and these icons has four different categories: outline, solid, mini and micro. So you can copy any of these icons. Let's go and copy this icon. So you have two options to copy SVG or copy GSX. So if you're working with React, you can copy GSX. So let me copy GSX. Let's go to the code and let's paste that icon. So as you can see, I have pasted that icon. Let's save the file and let's go to the browser. As you can see, I have used the icon and it's here. So let's copy another one. I'm going with the solid one this time. So let's copy this icon, copy GSX, and let me remove this icon and let me paste the new one. So if I go back to my output, you can see I have the icon here. So you can change the size of the icon. All you have to do is to change this class size, and you can use any size. Let's go with 10 and let's save this file. As you can see, the icon is slightly bigger now. So you can copy any of these icons into your code and you can use them free of cost. But sometimes when you need more icons, hero icons are not going to be enough. So for example, I need social icons, and if I search for Facebook, I don't have Facebook icon here, and let's go with YouTube. As you can see, I don't have the YouTube icon here. So when you need social icons or any other icons that you cannot find in hero icons, the other place you can go is the tabular icons. So you have more than 5000 pixel perfect icons for your web design. So let's copy Facebook icons from here. So you can copy any of the icon from here. So let's copy this one. Copy SVG and let's go to the code. Let me remove this icon and let me paste the new one, and let me remove these classes because we don't need these classes. So because we are using React, so we have to rename these with camel case. So let's rename these properties and let's go with stroke line join. And if I save this and if I go back to my browser, so as you can see, I have Facebook icon. So let's go back to code and let me add the classes I want to add. Class name. Let's go with size 20. Let's save this file and let's go back to the browser. As you can see, the size is also working. So these are the two best sources that I have found and I use almost all the time: hero icons and tabular icons. So if you want to learn about changing the color of the icons, or maybe you want to change the color of this icon on hover state, I have another video for that. I'll see you in that video.